Richmond, Michigan. Hey guys, there's a train coming. There's train 8 for Richmond. This is the second southbound. Second daytime Sunday southbound, so it's coming. Okay? Here's train number, okay. Here it comes. It's coming. Coming. Awesome. That's right. Okay, when it comes, I'll try wave, okay? Alright. Okay. Richmond, Michigan. Here it comes.
Yes?
I think he waved.
Yes.
It was hard to tell.
Yeah, he waved.
At home.
You, and then he beeped the horn, and then he waved over here.
Did you see him waving at me?
Yes?
Was it male or female?
Male.
Was it long or short?
It was a good size. 2 engines.
No, yeah.
No.